LinkedIn is a popular social networking platform that primarily focuses on professional networking and career development. While it's not designed specifically for business ideas, you can certainly leverage the platform to explore, connect, and promote your business ideas. Here are a few ways you can utilize LinkedIn for business. Networking and collaboration. Use LinkedIn to connect with professionals in your industry or target market. Join relevant groups and participate in discussions to expand your network and find potential collaborators or partners for your business idea. Thought leadership and content marketing. Share your expertise and knowledge by publishing articles, blog posts, or videos on LinkedIn's publishing platform. This can help establish yourself as a thought leader in your field and attract attention to your business idea. Market research. LinkedIn offers a vast professional user base, making it an excellent platform to conduct market research. Engage in conversations, surveys, or polls to gather insights about your target market's needs and preferences, helping you refine and validate your business idea. Recruiting and team building. If your business idea requires a team, LinkedIn is a valuable resource for recruiting talent. You can create a company page, post job openings, and search for professionals with the skills and experience you need to bring your idea to life. Lead generation. LinkedIn provides various advertising and lead generation tools to reach your target audience effectively. You can run targeted ads, sponsored content, or utilize LinkedIn Sales Navigator to identify and connect with potential customers or clients. Business development and partnerships. Use LinkedIn to identify potential business partners, investors, or clients who may be interested in your business idea. Connect with decision makers, attend industry events, and explore collaboration opportunities. Entrepreneurial communities. Join LinkedIn groups or communities focused on entrepreneurship, startups, or specific industries. Engaging with like-minded professionals can provide valuable insights, support, and connections related to your business idea. Remember, LinkedIn is primarily a professional networking platform, so it's essential to approach it with a professional mindset and focus on building genuine relationships. Leverage the platform's features strategically to promote your business idea and connect with relevant individuals and organizations.